In the Japanese language, Chikara means power and energy. For nearly 100 years, the makers of Chikara cutlery have produced expertly crafted and exceptionally long-lasting knives. Chikara blades are precision forged and formed from Japanese steel that is well known for its stain and rust resistance, strength, and ability to hold an incredibly sharp edge. This 12-piece set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch Santoku knife, 5-inch utility knife, 5-inch serrated utility knife, 4 5-inch steak knives, a 3.5-inch paring knife, honing rod, and kitchen shears in a beautiful toffee storage block. By embracing our heritage and modern advancements, Chikara Cutlery is able to provide technologically superior knives with the quality feel of years past, making each and every knife the best of both worlds.